Hey YouTube family, what's up? It's Dr. Bove, aka Captain Crunch. Tonight we get to adjust Kayla. She's fantastic, Penn State student, alright. And so give me the rundown, give me the breakdown. I've known Kayla a long time through high school, and her mom and dad, and, so give me the rundown. What are you feeling?
I'm just I'm just a very stressful person. I carry a lot of my stress in my back and my shoulders and my neck, so it's definitely something that I have problems with, but
Okay.
Constantly.
Yeah, that tension and tightness, yeah. Sure. And you are a full-time student, so school, nothing about school is good for posture or stress as well. It is a stressful time, but it's a fun time too. You balance that
Especially
out
Penn State.
somewhat. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Thank God football's coming back, and some other the nicer, more fun social events. So it'll be cool. All right, hop on, facing down, please. Beautiful. You can definitely feel the tension in these muscles, this contraction.
Mm-hmm.
I do think it's a valuable part of healthcare, working on the muscles, muscle therapy. Now I know that a lot of times that's a temporary, feel-good kind of thing, but in this instance we will soften the muscles so that we can facilitate an adjustment with more ease. Perfect. Okay. Deep breath in. Good. Hold that for a second. Just a second. Good. Okay. Breathe out.
Sorry.
Oh man, I never get used to that. Perfect. Yeah, you can tell Kayla loves when her bones crack. It's like the best. Here. All right. Turn on your side facing me. There's not much to do in your low back, so easy, gentle. Perfect. We're going to kind of lean the shoulder back. Perfect. All right, go ahead on your back, facing up now. Any headaches, sinus issues?
Not really.
Great. Okay, I'm pushing your shoulders back. Oh, I like your bracelet. That's
Thanks.
nice, grateful.
My friend gave it to me. And you're supposed to it's one of those bracelets you give to other people,
Oh,
but I don't want to give it away.
no.
So I
Why
just
would you
never
give it
have
away?
It's I don't know, it's
Some
a
kind of
thing. Yeah,
thing?
it's supposed to be when you feel someone else needs it, you give it to them. But then you're giving away, I don't know. I don't I've never I've gotten a couple of the bracelets from that brand, but I've never given them away. So I'm probably not really a good rep for them.
Oh well. I do like it though. Gratitude is very important. We are very blessed. Beautiful. I'm stretching you out.
I know, my shoulders are the worst.
Yeah, that tension, that contraction of the muscle brings your shoulders up.
Mhm.
So that's why I'm pushing them down. I have taped in my shower. What we think about, we bring about. Yeah. John DeMartini said that, by the way. I'll give him credit. I've seen him speak a bunch of times. neck is off a little bit. Just a little.
Oh, so we don't have to do anything about it, do we?
Little. Oh,
I'm too scared.
you did it already. You know?
Oh my god, sorry.
That was perfect.
Is it better now?
It is.
Okay, God.
Much better. Great. Yeah, you did great. Yeah. The muscle knots are dissolving. This is nice. Doing some figure eights, keeping these joints moving. Perfect. Okay, turn on your side, facing me this way. Same, not much to do in your low back. I like your low back. Perfect. This should move a little easier. Okay. Good. We'll call it a day. All right, come on up. Have a seat. Working on these knots up in these shoulders.
I know, it's so bad.
They're softening up. You're doing great. Perfect. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for engaging in your health. Thank you for working on your own body. You can message us. You can, contact, call, and make sure you subscribe. Captain Crunch DC, Doctor of Chiropractic. Everyone was wondering what the DC was for. That's what that stands for. All right. Thanks again. Thank you, Kayla, for coming in.
Thank you.
All right. Good job.